So in your hand, you have something that you won today.
Yes,
Can
and
you open it up?
it is a gift card. Oop, it was said it the right way. It's a gift card from Amazon.
And what is it for? It's $50.
It's for the best trainee as per presentations at the 9th annual DIDARP Symposium on drug abuse.
Drug abuse. And you did all this research on nicotine.
Yes, nicotine and the effects that menthol exerts on nicotine abuse.
Now, two things that I think the people who are watching this need to know. One, you are not a student at CDU. Where are you a student?
I'm a postdoctoral fellow at California Institute of Technology, also known as CalTech, which is in Pasadena, California, but is also in collaboration with labs here at Charles Drew.
Okay, and then also, you're married.
I am married, and it's going to be 5 years in December 12th, so thumbs up to marriage.
So the postdoctorate means you're Dr. Tell us your name.
Dr. Brandon Henderson.
And where are you from, Dr. Brandon Henderson?
I'm originally from Dayton, Ohio.
And how did you wind up out here?
I always wanted to live in Southern California, near the beach, and Pasadena was as close as I got, which is still it's closer to the beach than Ohio.
And now you're in Watts Willowbrook. But it's a beautiful campus here. I hope one day you have a chance to go and walk through and meet some of the people, wonderful people here. So you were talking about nicotine. Do you have a website? Is there any finding? I mean, any blogs or articles?
Yeah. So a lot of my research is published. So if you Google, Brandon Henderson, you may be and nicotine, you may be able to get it. Or you can go to a handy website called PubMed. So Google PubMed, you can put my name in it, Brandon Henderson, and then you can find papers that I've published on. There is a website for our lab, but it's old and outdated. So once that gets updated, we'll put some more stuff on there.
Well, one of the things that you talked about was the effect of menthol on your cigarette smoking habit. And so, in 2 words, does menthol really make you want to smoke more?
So menthol makes it easier to start smoking. And it seems like menthol reinforces what nicotine does in the brain so that it's harder to quit. So if I were to sum it down, I would say that menthol should not be allowed in cigarettes. And it's not right that it's the only flavor additive that is allowed in cigarettes when we have the most data that shows that it is harmful compared to other flavors.
Wow, so that's good. So maybe now people who've been trying to quit will know, should they switch to Pall-Malls or something? Or
well, the best thing would be to get some sort of community support, so maybe friends, family, or an accountability program, because really there aren't good drug treatments for nicotine addiction. And going from menthol to traditional cigarettes won't be a significant enough of a change to lower the threshold of drug seeking.
Well, I know your wife is waiting for you. Is there anything I didn't ask you people need to know about Dr. Brandon Henderson?
I'm also a member of an elite rowing team that practices in Huntington Beach. I'm a national champion in lightweight double sculls, and I'm hoping to make the national team this year. Not likely, but it would be nice to be able to do that.
I hate to have to do this, but what's a double sculls?
So it's a 2-person boat, and each person has 2 oars. And lightweight being that in international competitions we have to weigh less than 160 pounds, and the 2 guys have to average 155 pounds.
Wow. So it's a chore keeping your weight down, huh?
Not really. It's easy since I'm shorter than the average rower. So.
And you're rowing.
Yeah.
Wow, what an interesting life. We can't wait for the book. Thank you very much for speaking with us. We have a website, cdru.edu, and our newsletters are on there, and you'll be in the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you.